Thank you for joining us here on ClickToHouston.com. We're still tracking a few trouble spots with flooding. Addicks and Barker Reservoirs are continuing to release, and we do have a flood warning in place through Tuesday afternoon. Some of the roads are still impassable, so please do not drive through the standing water, and also keep the kids away from the flood water as well. The Brazos River near Roche-Sharon is at moderate flood stage. It is slowly falling, but it will not be in its banks until about Thursday, possibly Friday morning. And also the San Bernard River near Bowling continues to be at moderate flood stage. It is falling a little quicker than what we're seeing on the Brazos, but again, we are not expecting it to be within banks until we get closer to about Thursday morning. Weather-wise today, it's going to be fairly quiet. I am keeping in a 10 to 20% chance of an isolated shower, but most of us remaining dry, mostly cloudy skies. It's going to be warm and humid. We are waking up in the 60s, 70s for this morning, and then this afternoon we will be in the low to mid 80s. So definitely a more summer-like pattern for today. There's that look at a slight chance of a passing shower on Futurecast. Tuesday looks fairly dry, but overcast skies as we ramp up for our next weather system. That is pulling out from the west, and this is going to be another complex of storms timing out for early Wednesday morning. Looks like we could have the risk of severe weather. Also, we're tracking the possibility of some heavy rainfall, but area-wide looking at a quarter to a half an inch of rainfall. So I'm not expecting widespread issues on Wednesday, but what we have to watch out very closely for are those isolated storms that get very strong. You remember what happened on Sunday. We could see a replay of that on Wednesday. Those isolated stronger storms can drop anywhere between 1 to 2 inches of rain, and that would cause some localized flooding in spots. So keep your guard up for Wednesday. Today, fairly quiet though, 84 degrees, the mid 80s on Tuesday. Take a look at our morning lows. The low 70s. It's going to be very warm, very soupy and humid for this work week. We'll watch out for those storms on Wednesday, and then on Saturday, we're also on guard, watching a line of storms that could be on the strong side.